Wish I would have caught this. There is no way in hell. I literally just sold out of my freaking collection in 2 minutes. Now mind you, I started off real quick with like $0 today on purpose because I was ready for this launch, and I launched literally 10 minutes ago now, and I'm almost sold out. So we're gonna check back and see at the end of the day. Right now it is 2:11. Let's check it. We're gonna keep y'all updated. Yeah, so I ended yesterday at I think like $2,900, very close to $2,900. And I know I could have done a lot better, but I didn't do everything I usually do when I'm launching a new collection or I'm relaunching a product back in stock or whatever the case may be. So I was expecting a very low number. However, the fact that I did that was absolutely crazy. I'm almost sold out. That particular collection would have made a total sales of $5,100. So being that I almost hit 3K was absolutely amazing, and I'm pretty much gonna close out the other $2,000 today. So I'm good. I'm happy with the results, but I know for a fact that my launching strategy works if implemented the right way. And a correction to yesterday, I didn't mean to say I sold out of my collection. I actually sold out of one color, well, 2 colors actually, and I just restocked them. So what I do is I don't put my full inventory on launch day. I only put half because I want to see how well it does, because I like to build that anticipation with my customers to make them feel like the collection is exclusive. But I didn't sell out the whole collection. I actually sold out just 2 colors. So I just wanted to make that correction. But all in all, everything went extremely well. Sales is going bananas right now. I think I'm at like $1,500, and it's 11:30 in the morning right now. So I'm happy. Y'all, launch your products. Do a launch. One last thing I want to say is don't compare your business to someone else's. Don't compare your industry to another industry. And I said this on my podcast as well. I'm in the industry of fashion, and particularly shoes or boots. I have a seasonal brand, and I'm grateful and thankful that I'm able to sell these boots through the hotter seasons, because I know how to make my shoes exclusive, because my audience knows they're not going to find them anywhere else. That's one thing. Second thing is, for me and my industry and the niche that I'm in, with just selling boots and shoes and things like that, my sales that I make in a day are absolutely amazing. Okay, I'm not going to compare myself to any skincare lines, people who make $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 in a day, because guess what? They are able to produce their own product on demand. I'm not able to do that. Okay, I have to go put my things in production. They are produced as I order or when I sell out. So me, and this is not for everybody, but this is just for those people like, oh, she only made $3,000. Baby, let me tell you something. In my industry, that's absolutely freaking amazing. Selling shoes and selling boots is not no walk in the park. Okay, it's actually a pretty difficult industry to be in. Let me say that. Boutiques are a difficult industry to be in. So do not compare your business or your industry to any other niche that you see on TikTok, Instagram, or whatever. Okay, hair care products, they make those things on demand. They don't never have to sell out, because they can literally make it the time they get an order by themselves. Versus us, people in the fashion industry, we have to put things in production. Okay, so if you are in a place where you're able to order tens of thousands of units in the shoe industry or fashion industry, baby, you should be making coin. You should be making $10,000-$15,000 a day. Every single day. Now, don't get it twisted. Your girl has had $10,000 launches, and I usually have $10,000 launches. But this particular launch was actually a test launch for me because I do not sell heels anymore. So this particular launch was only a launch to see how well these mules were going to move. And they did really well. So what does that mean? I'm going to restock. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to rebuild that anticipation. I'm going to build up my wait list again. And this time, when they get themselves on the wait list, I don't have to worry about pushing out content to get people to buy. All I'm going to do is send an email or a text. And those people who have been waiting for them to restock are going to buy it. And guess what's going to happen? Your girl going to sell out again. So, all in all, do not compare your industry to any other industry. For the industry that I'm in, I'm doing an amazing job. I am just a couple $1,000s away of hitting my 6-figure month. Let that sink in.